Hi, I'm Mary Rogers, Director of Marketing Communications for Cuisinart. This is the Cuisinart Grind-and-Brew 10-cup thermal carafe coffee maker. It's a great way to make fresh coffee right at home. Right in the top here we have our chamber where we put our whole beans. If you run out of whole beans, don't worry about it. You can use pre-ground coffee, but we prefer that you use the whole beans. Here's where you put your filter, the charcoal filter. It pops right in here. And it's really important to use filter and fresh cold water because that makes the best coffee possible. Close the lid. We're going to open this up. And this is after the beans are ground. They're automatically dispensed right into the filter basket. And here we have our gold tone cupcake style filter. We also give you some paper filters to start with. Here's our on-off button, our 1 to 4 cup button, an hour button and a minute button, which you use to set your clock. We also have a grind off button, and that's just in case you run out of whole beans. You can still put ground coffee in the basket. This is our program button. You can program it for any period during a 24-hour period. This is our double wall thermal carafe. This actually is really nice. It has a feature called brew through, pour through lid. When you, after you put the lid on and you're about to make your coffee, you never have to twist and turn it again. You pour it, and what happens is it dispenses the coffee. When you put it back upright, there's a little ball inside, and that seals it off so that it doesn't affect the coffee's taste or flavor. You put it right back in. And there you have it. It has also a water window on the side so you know exactly how much coffee to add. There you have it, the Cuisinart Grind-and-Brew coffee maker.